On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you the USB-C and USB-A 2-pack adapter set. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how this works. So as you saw in the short, I explained what it was. I am going to show you if it actually works. This was a Five Below find and it was $7. I don't have the receipt anymore, but it was $7 for the kit. You saw all the USB-C to USB-A adapters. Now, excuse me, USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now we're going to see a USB-C adapter, excuse me, USB-C adapter to USB-A. So, here's how this works. I am going to create a scenario in my head here, and we're going to see. Okay, so you build yourself a brand spanking new desktop, right? You have nothing but USB-C ports and all that. So you have USB, let's just say USB-C cables to USB-C cables to plug into the computer. I know this is far-fetched, but I want to create a scenario. So what happens is somebody you know gives you a USB-A device such as this one. And you go, uh-oh, how do I do this? That's where this comes in handy. So, now, like I stated earlier, you saw me use a bunch of these. I still have them. We're going to use the USB-C version to USB-A. So, I am going to open it up and pull the adapter out. It is pretty difficult to get out of the packaging. Alright, so I finally got the packaging open. So, this is for, I gotta remove that. That is for my external hard drive there. So I'm going to remove that. So as you can see, that port is clear. So how this is going to work is I put the adapter in the USB-C port. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. I'll zoom in. There you go. You can see it. Now I'm going to take this and put it in here. And here it is. These are all the files that I have on this drive. So if I pull it out, it goes away. If I plug it in, it loads, and it loads really, really quickly. So that is a good thing. So now you just turned your USB-C port into a USB-A port. Now it's going to read it faster because that's what the port is made for. So if this was in a regular USB-A port, which I'll plug in right now, it takes a little bit for it to come up. But when I plug it into the adapted USB-C port, instant. Pretty much. Which is really cool. And this is kind of what you want. You want something that's going to load kind of fast. So, just to prove that this works, I'll go over to the screen here and I'll try to launch something. Now I'm not actually going to install it, I'm just going to launch it and then X out of it. Oh, wait, I gotta do this. Alright, let's launch something else. But there we go. There we go. Comes up. So let's launch this. There we go. So I'm not exactly going to install it on here because I don't need to. So you can launch files from that drive from the USB-C port through the adapter. So that is a good thing. So now you have another way to use what you need to use without having to buy something really, really expensive. The kit was from Five Below and it was $7. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.